Okay, we want to show you the crack. Okay, it's terrible. Check it out now. Okay, terrible right there, guys. So we'll show you guys, okay, what you need to do and how to take care of that now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video, guys, we'll show you how to fix broken undercover engine undercover, guys. Okay, that thing that's under the engine, guys. And often you will break them, you will hit a pothole, you will hit a rock or something, and they will break, guys. And we'll explain how you can fix it at home, guys, and it works pretty good. So quick introduction to the channel, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 to 300 videos, guys. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything, and that will be the case with this Volkswagen Tiguan that we just got now, and we constantly get new ones, guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money, guys, as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys, so we can keep providing these free videos and teach you how to fix your car for free on your own. Now, all the tools and parts that we use in our videos, we'll have the link shared in the description of the video below for your convenience. So let me show you guys now what we'll be doing and how we're going to fix that engine cover now, okay, and how we're going to get rid of that nasty crack that we have there. So we will explain, guys, what needs to be done and how to fix it. Okay, let us show you now how bad ours is. Okay, we want to show you the crack. Okay, it's terrible. Check it out now. Okay, terrible right there, guys. So we'll show you guys, okay, what you need to do and how to take care of that now. So let's show you guys, okay, what we're going to need. We're going to need a drill bits and zip ties. And what we're going to do now, guys, okay, we're going to, you may have a crack, you may have a piece that's missing, okay, broken, and you need to make sure that you get all the pieces together. And we're going to go ahead, start, guys, drilling little bitty holes, and we're going to go ahead and do kind of like a drifter stitch, you know, the ones that you drill a hole, install zip tie and get it tight. And if you want later, guys, you can use epoxy, okay, epoxy glue, and you can actually make it look even better. Perfect. 2 holes are ready. Check it out now. We're going to get the zip tie through one, come through the other one, and now get it tight. Okay, it's important not to get it too tight, because what will happen, okay, we need to cut this one, guys, because we got a little bit too tight. And you need to make sure that you match the pieces perfectly, okay, everything aligns. So you cannot just pull as much as you can, guys, it doesn't work that way. You need to align everything really good, okay, and start getting it tight until you start installing more zip ties. Okay, perfect. Check it out how it closed. Now we're going to cut the end of it, okay, and we have one zip tie there. Now we'll keep doing that, guys. Okay, let's do one more here in the corner. Okay, perfect. And here you need to align everything really good so we can get that one tight now. So we're going to get it through here. Okay, let's get it tight now. Again, be careful, don't go too much. Okay, everything needs to be perfect, great. And cut it now, cut that end. Okay, great. Now you can see how stable that thing started looking, guys. So we need to keep doing that. We're going to do at least 2 to 3 more on this side, and we'll continue, guys, and show you what it looks like once we're done. So let's do one more quick. Okay, let's do one more. See where exactly. Perfect. Another zip tie. Now here, the one that's supposed to lay on something flat, you do the low profile piece on top. The other ones will hide them inside so they're not so noticeable. Okay, and cut it. So you can see, guys, it looks great. Okay, we need to do a few more pieces there, and we'll show you guys what it looks like after that. So we drilled one more hole, getting another one tight now, and we'll show you guys one trick how to stop that crack from spreading. Okay, because otherwise it can keep spreading, and that will, guys, cause more damage in the future. So what you're going to do now, guys, okay, let's just install this one quick. You're going to find the end of the crack, which is right here, and you're going to drill a hole right at the end of the crack. That will limit, guys, the crack from not spreading anymore, because if you do not limit if you don't limit that crack, what's going to happen as a result, it will keep spreading. So what we want it to do, okay, to limit it, guys, so it doesn't keep spreading. Now once you install all the zip ties, you can clean everything really good, get a little bit of sandpaper, guys. Okay, and let me show you, okay, I'll get the epoxy, guys. Let me show you with the epoxy like that, quick epoxy. You can, guys, even, okay, glue it together and put a soft layer, guys, a thin layer of epoxy and epoxy quad. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So we're running low on epoxy, so we'll go ahead and order some, but let me show you now what we'll be doing. That's epoxy quad. You're going to clean everything really good, not to have dust, sand, and if you have a missing chunk, okay, you're going to, guys, sand it, clean it, dry it, and then you mix epoxy, put some of the quad, put epoxy on top, and that thing will be strong and good, like brand new. In our case, we can be still just going with zip ties, because this is pretty small crack, nothing major. So let me show you what it looks like on the other side. Pretty good looking, guys. If you get the epoxy, that hole will be gone as well. So we can add one more zip tie right there, and we'll be practically ready to go, guys. You get the idea. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to repair lower engine cover, guys, undercover. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.